Welcome to TechStunner, your destination for cutting-edge unboxing experiences. Join us as we explore the excitement of unboxing, one tech treasure at a time. Subscribe now and never miss a thrilling unboxing moment. Here we go.
Have you ever wondered what the latest smartphone trends are, or what you should look for in a new phone? Smartphones have become an intrinsic part of our lives, with features that redefine convenience. Today, we will be discussing the key features and benefits of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. First off, the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra sports a sleek design. It measures 75.1 by 162.6 by 8.4 millimeters and weighs in at 226 grams. It's bezel-less and comes in 4 classy colors: black, white, brown, and green. The Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is not just a device, it's a stylish accessory. The Pura 70 Ultra doesn't compromise on display and memory. Its 6.8-inch OLED screen boasts a 460 ppi and nearly 90% screen-to-body ratio. And with a whopping 16 gigabytes of RAM and half a terabyte of storage, the Pura 70 Ultra ensures a seamless user experience. Connectivity and camera, 2 vital features of any smartphone, and the Pura 70 Ultra excels in both. With a broad spectrum of connectivity options from GPRS to 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and IR blaster. The camera? Ultra-sharp with 50-megapixel wide and telephoto lenses. The Pura 70 Ultra ensures you stay connected and never miss capturing a moment. Lastly, let's talk about the technical features, multimedia support, and battery life of the Pura 70 Ultra. It operates on HarmonyOS v4, with an octa-core processor. It supports various music and video formats. The battery is an impressive 5200 mAh type with super fast and wireless charging capabilities. With the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, you get a power-packed performance that lasts all day. In conclusion, the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra is a smartphone that ticks all the right boxes. With a dynamic OLED display, ample memory, state-of-the-art connectivity, a robust camera, and a powerful battery, it's a device that truly stands out. If you're looking for a smartphone that combines design, performance, and power, the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra could be your best bet.
Enjoying our content? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Don't miss out on future videos. Subscribe now for more exciting content, and click the video appearing on the screen to continue watching. Otherwise, see you next time. I'm Sarah from TechStunner. Have a nice day.